Welcome to my channel. 5 reasons why a 3-day water fast can help you achieve peak health. First, insulin sensitivity and metabolic function have improved. During a 3-day water fast, your body switches from using glucose to utilizing stored fat for energy. This can lead to better blood sugar control and overall health by increasing insulin sensitivity and metabolic function. Second, autophagy and cellular repair have been increased. Fasting causes the body to clean up damaged cells and proteins, a process known as autophagy. This can lower the risk of age-related disorders while also improving general health. Third, inflammation and oxidative stress have been reduced. Fasting can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body by lowering the formation of free radicals and pro-inflammatory chemicals. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Fourth, improved brain function and mental clarity. Fasting has been shown to stimulate the creation of new nerve cells and improve cognitive performance. This can improve mental clarity, focus, and concentration. Fifth, loss of weight and improved body composition. A 3-day water fast can assist kickstart weight reduction and improve body composition by decreasing body fat, enhancing insulin sensitivity, and increasing muscle mass. I know what you're thinking. Fasting for 3 days without eating. That seems intimidating. But believe me when I say that the perks are well worth it. While fasting is not for everyone, a 3-day water fast can be a safe and effective approach to improve your overall health and wellness. If you want to try a 3-day water fast, you should first check with your healthcare physician. Thank you for viewing and best wishes.